Yeah, I'm recording now because it's the only technology we have.
Does it have a mic?
I know.
Yes.
All right.
No, but that's included in the LGBT. So we just didn't have the age right now.
Can't use your phone to see what it's recording does. So how do you
I know. Oh, on my phone, don't know how to check in.
I know last time I was here without my phone.
If we got lost without a phone, how would we find anything? No maps?
I gotta watch.
It doesn't do anything. Can you make phone? Hello.
Yeah. No, it doesn't make phone calls. I want to enjoy it. So thank you. I think they go next.
Yay. Here we go.
I wonder if it's different if you come off this way.
I'm not.
Probably not.
I mean, really,
It
whatever.
narrows it down.
I don't care.
Nice calm little river trip.
It's their deal.
It's like Rainbow River.
I get that part.
I haven't gone to Rainbow River.
Okay, next time I go, I'll make sure you get it off.
There's two girls on flights and they're
No fish.
way too close.
Disney.
They're crossing that line.
Right.
Don't trust that guy with the button.
Especially at work.
Do it.
It was just like a random conversation.
It was, yeah. Either that or
I
something.
thought it was on my eye, I didn't got you. This time.
Here we go.
And smash.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Oh yeah, I love these rides.
I got all messed up. Well, I'm done.
Tailed over there.
I know. Don't say anything. It's gonna be up next. I know.
Hello.
Oh, here comes the spinny part.
We're already spinning.
Too fast.
I'm dizzy.
And then it splashes over.
Not this us. This us.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Whoop!
You were thinking all this weight, and we just got it deeper in the water.
I know, I leaned way forward. My cheeks are already wet.
Okay.
Who's getting all these are gonna be fun.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be me. Here we go. Yeah, it's gonna
Here we go.
Nope, that's what you gotta look out for. It's that waterfall. I did so good. I stayed so dry. I said I was gonna do
I stayed so dry.
waterfall.